I'm going to quickly show you how to auto-fit columns and rows in Excel. As you can see in this table, some of the columns are either too big or too small to hold the data. To auto-fit the columns, select the desired range to edit by clicking on the first column, and then while holding Shift, click on the last column. Once the range is selected, hover the mouse pointer over the column headers and in between any column. You should see an icon like that. Once you see that icon, double-click. This should auto-fit the columns to the data. You can also do this same thing to auto-adjust row sizes too. To auto-fit the columns, first select the desired range. Then while pressing the Alt key, type HOI. To auto-fit rows, first select the desired range. Then, while pressing the Alt key, type out HOA.